Whoa, why does my bike feel fucking funny? Holy shit. Something doesn't fucking feel right with this bike. Maybe. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another fucking shit-ass episode of...
What a fucking shit show of a day. Okay, I guess they're not fucking past us.
So my front brake, I have no front brake, and back brake's shot because it needs to be bled, but I had to totally drain the back brakes.
Hey, check this out.
Tipsy's back on the emo. He blew his motor last night.
Yeah, all over town, going for a late night cruise with the wife, and then it blew riding into the driveway. That's fucking up. And that's the second bike that's blown from that fucking Chinese fuck.
Jeez, and now my steering just feels all wonky.
Oh God.
It does. It doesn't even feel safe right now.
You know why?
Why?
Probably because we had it up in the air and your front end's loose and it slid down or something.
Yeah, I gotta... Oh, I want to see if I move it.
Hey, those are some nice flowers. That's the only good thing about today. Look at them nice flowers.
Yeah, I think you're right, because now it seems...
Put it back down.
Oh.
Just sat back down in place. Oh, fucking e-bike life, guys. This is what happens when you own e-bikes.
And they say they won't deliver my new e-bike for a week to 2 weeks.
So now you guys know Trippy's getting a new e-bike. But you guys, we hinted at it for a bit.
Hey Al, if you're watching... Oh, should I say his name? Too late now, I guess.
Well, no one knows who we're talking about.
How much to go up to North York?
North York, is it far?
It's Toronto. North of Toronto.
Yeah, anyway you want to stop, do a video, cool with me.
Man, I'm gonna puke down here. All I smell is poo.
Poo, yeah, there's picnic tables.
I can't chew down here. Let's go to the other side, man. I can't. I'm gonna fucking gag. It's like.
Hey, people move down here in the poster in the summer. All they smell is poo poo all day.
Can
you imagine having the apartments right over there?
I can't get the fuck out of here. My nose is plugged.
Your fucking balcony in the morning. Smell of fresh shit.
I'm crying right now and my nose is plugged. That is fucking nasty, man. What the fuck?
Yeah, that's rough.
Oh, like you spent $1 million for a fucking condo over there and you smell poop. And those people on the boat, they probably poop themselves.
Oh, they already went away.
Oh my God, I'm not even fucking... we're going down to the other docks. This is just... That just... Oh.
What time is it? You check your phone?
Oh, we still have lots of time. Yeah. What time is it? 9:07, so it's 9:03 really.
Yeah.
I don't know, Amber's phone matches up with your phone. She's like, how come your phone says this time, my phone says this time? I'm like, my phone's gay. It's different. It's different. It's special.
It works on Trippy time.
Yeah. Oh, I can't believe I almost puked. That was like, oh.
Well, we're trying to get back into it.
No, it was something special over there.
You don't smell it yet?
No. Why do you?
I can.
Oh, what the fuck?
It's over there, isn't it?
The poop plant, but I can't. Oh.
Yeah, back this way. Whoa. Well, that's stinky.
Fuck videos. Oh, it stinks like poo down here, no? Because I'm too busy. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, fresh air.
Back to the fresh stuff. Yeah, don't go back that way.
Yeah.
God, damn.
Oh my God.
Holy poo-poo.
Oh, cheesies. Oh, look at the dividers.
Jeez, imagine they just sit on this, but they don't have them like, beside each other. What the fuck?
Yeah, they can sit beside each other, but they have a divider across from each other.
Yeah.
Oh, cheesies smell good.
They do.
Okay.
Fuck, is slowing down too fast, Trippy.
I can't slow down. I got no brakes. This is my. Oh, I pumped up the brakes. Okay. I'm thinking of where to go now.
The trails down behind my old apartments. I don't know.
Yeah, somewhere down. Oh yeah, down where that guy lives in the trailer, maybe.
Yeah, somewhere around there.
Okay. Can't.
Hopefully it doesn't smell like poo-poo down there.
We can take the trail here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, I can't deal with this poop and e-bike life.
Trippy's been fucking signaling for like 3 miles.
Okay. There's a trail here I thought we could take or something. Oh yeah, right there. There's. Oh my God. Yeah, there we go.
Whoa.
Whoa, it's great. Oh, yeah, there we go. Glory hole.
That'd be funny. We should
Whoa. Oh, fuck. I want to be hugging the truck like Miss Trippy did.
Ow. Yeah.
Oh my God, I'm dying here, guys. Oh. Wake the motherfucker up in the trailer. Oh, his window. Yeah. Oh. I don't know. I have no idea where.
There is two right here facing that way.
We're down that trail.
Yeah.
Away from this stupid house and people. I don't smell poop, so we must be doing good.
Yeah, that is so bad.
Yeah, this trail looks like it's... Oh my God, e-bike life. Yeah, halfway down and we're good. Oh, big opening right here. Beautiful. Hey. Yeah, there we go.
And it doesn't smell like poo-poo.
Oh, guys, we'll be back after this. Oh, my bike almost flipped. Okay, guys, we will be back after this quick commercial.
I'm always revved up, I'm never turning down. I smoke a blunt to the face to calm my nerves down. I'm reaching up, got my head right above the clouds. I can feel the calm before the storm, there is no tether now. I'm always revved up.
There we go. Okay, guys, we're back. Oh, yeah, we're recording too.
Yeah, we're back.
We got a nice coffee dip in, guys.
Good old nicotine dip, or sorry, I keep calling it nicotine. Coffee.
So, remember, the front brakes are not hooked up whatsoever. I can squeeze the front brakes, nothing happens. I got the bleeder screw completely out.
Yeah, it's just leaking everywhere.
My back brakes are full out. So
These back brakes.
if a truck slams on its brakes in front of me, we're both dead. I don't even want a fucking chance to poo. Oh, I'm done with poo and I'm done with fucking e-bikes. Until my new e-bike comes. Oh.
Yeah, it'll be good for at least 2 years. That's a good thing about a new e-bike. It's a 2-year warranty.
Yeah. on the motor and frame, 6 months on the battery. Well, I
That's
stopped.
when they start going, though, is after that couple year mark.
That's what I mean. I'll fucking sell it and get a new one. I say straight.
Fuck yeah, ready, go.
Highway 2 sucks. I'll die for sure. What is that, a bird? No, that's a piece of weed.
A bird?
Yeah, you never know, man. I'm so high right now on coffee grind pouches. Oh, I feel some spitting happening.
Yeah, the rain is coming.
I gotta have this bike and I gotta go get topsoil tomorrow. I'm glad I seen Thrashers has Pro Mix my HP or whatever, HP in the white bag. Seeing the Trip canopin on this tour. I gotta fix this bike, go over it with a fine noodle comb.
Yeah, I don't think I fit in a bag on this thing. Oh, I thought you're going straight.
Yeah, I might as well. We still got a couple of minutes, I think. Hey, the puppies. I think. Yeah, it's only 9:15 by your watch. My watch says 9:20.
Fuck yeah, I might as well go for a little jaunt.
Little John, yep. On broken e-bikes.
Still getting that fucking couch.
Tell you, that new e-bike, oh, it's gonna be baby.
Yeah, that's what I'm telling you. Fuck, I can't believe mine blew up. It's a $500 paperweight now.
This e-bike here, I even said for the last few days, I'm like, I gotta baby this one because this is the one Miss Trippy's going to have after I fix it up. And now everything's starting to happen. He's like, fuck you, you got a new e-bike. I'm gonna die on you.
You betray me.
And that stupid Chinese guy, oh, the battery's good. One trip out to Cannabis kills the battery. That'll go. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just... I just swallowed my tobacco. It's not tobacco. It's not nicotine, it's caffeine. It's fucking raining out now. What's next? It's gonna snow out? Oh, you know, everything's bad happening and I gotta go for that stupid camera down my throat today. I just spit on my microphone for Pete's sake. What's next now? Yep. Where the fuck are where is that fucking phone? I don't know.
Right up here's where my fucking tire went flat.
Oh, then go left. Okay.
Want some movies or some weights or?
Oh,
Oh god.
holy shit, eh? No, because if I put any more weight on this bike, it'll die, I bet.
Yeah.
I think we'll go left. Might as well. Because it's raining, and I figure if we keep driving further away from the shop, we're going to get soaked.
Yeah.
Something else to make me pissed off about my life. Go through Nicholson, go down the steep hill? No.
Yeah, not on this. I feel like the front end would snap. But knowing the emo, it'll keep going forever. It's been the longest lasting bike
Yeah.
of all our bikes.
I felt cool by doing that. Ooh.
Jeez, I thought you were stopping really fast.
Don't wreck those windows. My grandpa built those windows. No, was that this? No, that's not the windows, I don't think. There isn't. I think it's church down there's the windows he... Yeah, it wasn't that church, because there's 2 or 3 windows he built in his workshop. Oh, we still went that way, oh wow. Oh, a red light. And this car's gonna go. And I gotta stop. Well, I'm gonna die today, I guarantee it.
Take it right, go through downtown?
Yeah. See what downtown's going on today. I'm hitting this
Not
light
much.
slow.
Bunch of patios. Yeah, I better start hitting my brakes up here.
Oh, e-bike brake life.
I got the brakes full on.
Me too.
We're both still moving. Oh god.
Okay, my brakes are full on, I still push it.
Yeah.
Whoa.
I had to give her an extra little death grip to come to a complete stop. I like when this light's green and you can come from the top down that hill and just zoom through here.
Oh yeah.
And just pray to God no one runs a red light and hits you.
And you have brakes.
Yeah.
Eating a sucking on a cinnamon roll and getting some caffeine.
It kind of tastes almost like that other one we had.
Oh, oh. Kinda, yeah. Jesus. Oh. Go spin the freaking rainbow pyramid.
What the fuck?
Yeah, that's, yeah.
Let's make it all gay and rainbowy.
Yeah, of course, it's
And
valid.
we're getting rid of lights inside them.
Yeah, you can go and spin them and they spin around.
Oh,
Watch.
fuck.
Really? Pyramastic. I thought that said Primerica. Whoa. Absolutely no brakes, so beware.
How do you like?
I gotta take this corner wide. Whoa, whoa, what did he say new about? I thought we were dying. I thought a car was running a red light or something. All I felt was my life.
God, he's like, wait, what did he say that for?
Bloody.
Top of the hill.
I can't stop. I'm not wearing out my sandals either if I don't have to. There we go, we stopped.
And go. This is the road they need to fucking fix.
Look at.
ACAB. Trippy says, look at my shirt. It says ACAB.
That's exactly. Oh, new sidewalk. I would leave a skid mark if I could.
Trippy a lot of that stuff, huh? Woo! Here you go, Tampa.
Oh.
Oh, wide corner.
That's exactly it.
We gotta do a little bit more Trippy Law before we get there on the way to work. Here's some Trippy Law. Here's some Trippy Law.
Trippy Law, guys. Trippy Law. Full out Trippy Law. My bike broke.
Oh, yeah.
I almost took a shortcut in between that car. I just figured that's when my steering was giving out. Oh, ew, mask, COVID.
That's the thing. You see on the ground all the time now. Masks.
Yeah. Ew, it smells like garbage. Hell yeah, guys, that's going to be it of that episode. Put that bike close to the wall there.
Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. As always, stay tipsy.
Stay tripping. And
stay
something or
e-biking.
another.
No, hopefully not broken e-biking.
Cheers, y'all.
Cheers.